Good morning, students and parents. Welcome back. Happy Friday. I hope everybody has enjoyed this week's lesson on the alphabet, on J, K, and L. Okay, let's just run through everything quickly. So for J and J, we did jellyfish. We had jellyfish, and we had jeans. Jellyfish, jeans, and jello. Okay. And then for K and K, we had kangaroo, the jumping kangaroo. We had kite, and we had king, king. Okay, so for K and K, we have kangaroo, kite, and king. Great. And next we have L and O. L and O. And what do we have for L? Do you remember? We have the mighty king of the jungle, the lion. Lion. Okay. Lion. Okay. So for L and O, we have the lion. Lion. Okay, next we have a lamb. Lamb. So we have lion and lamb. And then last we have yummy lemon. Okay. So we have for L and O, we have lion, we have lamb, and we have lemon. Okay. I hope you enjoyed your lesson. Get ready for your activity.